everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Dave's Garage. We're doing a mukbang special here. So, they serve kind of weird food in Australia. So, I bought me an octopus tentacle. So, I'm going to show y'all how to eat an octopus tentacle in this episode. Okay, first thing you got to wash this greasy little thing off. So, he's got quite a bit of slime on him. So we're gonna give him a good washing off here. Oh, all that slime. Oh. Oh yeah. So gnarly. Swipe this little funky guy off here. Oh yeah. Oh. All right, now it's clean. Now we got to move on to phase 2. All right. Moving on to phase 2. You got to doctor this thing up a little bit. So first thing you do is hot sauce. Now I prefer crystal hot sauce, but all we got here in Australia is Red's hot sauce. So I hear they put that shit on everything, so we'll try it. So you gotta get a good slather and hot sauce on this monkey. Oh. No octopus is complete without a little bit of garlic. We're gonna throw that on the plate. A little American mustard to top it off too. A couple of olives as a garnish. A clove of garlic. A little probiotic. A little more hot sauce too. No. We enjoy. Tastes like calamari. Close up that sucker right there. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Dave's Garage. That was the mukbang edition of eating octopus in Australia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more original content.
Yeah.